What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top. We create cool new interesting color combinations that you guys get to rate. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And today I've got Midnight Blue by Rustoleum and Phantom Gray by Rustoleum. I got a fender behind me. We're going to two-tone it with those colors and then hit it with a Geisha doll color shift. This is a white particle color shift that has purple to red shifts from what I've been told, but I had a subscriber that specifically wanted to see this over Midnight Blue today. That's why we're not doing it over black. And of course I got to pick a lighter color to contrast to everything, but all in all I think this is going to be a really cool spray out. So without further ado, let's get to putting some Rustoleum on this fender behind me and jump into some Geisha doll color shift. Let's have some fun. Alright guys, so we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down, Midnight Blue and Phantom Gray. And now it's time for some Geisha doll color shift by Eye Candy Pigments. This is kind of cool. It's supposed to have kind of a violet to red shift, which is nice. And then the fact that it's a white particle base is very interesting. So I'm excited to see in particular what it does over the lighter base, just because, you know, it's just one of those things, man. When you get a white particle pearl over top of a lighter base, and it has that ghost pearl effect, and especially when it's, you know, a color shift in nature, it's always very, very interesting. But I got a little McCormick teaspoon today. I am using the Finish 1 clear coat 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator, hardener, and I'm doing 5 ounces total in the mix. 4, 1, 5, and I'm gonna do half a teaspoon of this Geisha doll into the mix, and I'm gonna bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Geisha doll. Very, very cool. I'm liking this so far. It's a little different. Look at that mix. Even without even stirring it, you're already seeing like purples to reds to a little bit of everything. And then we get to mixing it up. And yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I love these white particles because you have to kind of wait for the light to hit them the right way to really see the color. And they can both be very vibrant and subtle at the same time, which is really cool. And that's what you got with that. I definitely see the purples, the pinks, the reds. I see what the shift is all about. And man, I'm excited to spray some of this Geisha doll over top of these colors. But we got to load up the Vevor gun first, and then we'll get to spraying. Alright guys, so today we're spraying some Geisha doll color shift by Eye Candy. I'm shooting it in my Vevor gun, 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free to. We're going to do a light coat first, check for reactions, and then if we don't get no reactions, probably follow up with 1, 2, or 3 follow-up coats. Take it outside in the sun and see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so here we have it. Well, I don't even need this. Geisha Doll Color Shift over Phantom Gray. Wow. And Midnight Blue. Man, this color shift is wild. It is very vivid. It does a lot, and it's very cool. And then our surprise guest. I had to do it over black, guys. When I saw it, I was just like, man, this is going to look beautiful over black. I'd be cheating them if I didn't do it. And, you know, I'm going to try and do this from time to time. I can't do it every time because, wow, it cost me a crap ton of materials. But that is beautiful over both colors. And, yeah, what do you guys think? All right, guys, so here's the spray outs for today. Geisha Doll Color Shift over Phantom Gray, Midnight Blue, and then Gloss Black. Now, over all three of these colors, I thought it was very, very cool. Nonetheless, I want you guys to rate it. 1, you didn't really care for them. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. Like I said, I can't do double spray outs like this all the time, but I started with this one right here because a subscriber wanted Midnight Blue. I was going to do it over black. I was like, I got to choose a light color too because it's a white particle, so I really want to showcase the purple to red transition capabilities of it. And then the more I got into it, I was just like, man, I got to do it over gloss black. I got to do it. You know, I just got to see what it looks like because I was just that curious. So, double spray outs for today, guys. And, yeah. If you like Geisha Doll and you want to use it for your next project, obviously it seems to look good over pretty much any color. And so the links will be in the description for Geisha Doll. I am an affiliate with iCandy, so I can get you guys a discount. WAW Candy or WAW Shop, Wall Candy at checkout. I'll have the links. You'll get a small discount. It'll go to help the channel, so it's a win-win. If you want to use the clear coat, that Finish One Clear is beautiful. The paint gun, anything you see me use on the channel, guys, links for that will be in the description as well too. As seen on YouTube takes you to my Amazon store where you can buy everything I use on the channel. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. You get all the benefits, Amazon Prime, and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video and you like to see double spray outs like this on occasion and just all these different crazy color combinations, please drop me a subscribe, hit that like button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode, and leave me a comment. What crazy pearl, flake, candy, or what Rustoleum color would you like to see next that we haven't already done? And yeah, these two spray outs were really cool today. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from WHITLEY AutoWorks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.